President Bongbong Marcos has released a new report, giving the latest update on the ongoing investigation into alleged anomalies in several flood control projects nationwide.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito patuloy sa aking pagre-report sa inyo tungkol sa mga development sa mga kaso na hinggil doon sa mga flood control project. At i-report ko po na ngayong araw yung AMLAC, yung Anti-Money Laundering Council, nakakuha na po ng 2 freeze order. This brings the total amount of assets frozen to about 12 billion pesos. Kasama po dito ang mga air asset ni Saldico, ang value mga 4 billion. At bukod pa ron, meron po tayong nakuhang 3,566 na bank account, 198 insurance policies, 247 motor vehicles, 178 real properties, 16 na e-wallet account, at saka air asset na frozen na. Umpisa lang po ito. Mas marami pong asset ay mafo-frozen para maibalik ang pera ng tao sa kanila.
In his message, the president stressed a firm stance. He will not negotiate with criminals, and anyone proven to be involved in corruption will face full accountability. According to the president, the government continues to validate reports of overpriced, ghost, and substandard flood control projects in multiple regions. The Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, is working closely with national agencies to gather documents, conduct technical assessments, and digitally map flood control projects dating back to 2015. Marcos emphasized that this effort is not a political move, but a direct campaign against corruption. He encouraged the public to continue reporting suspicious projects, noting that platforms like Sumbong sa Pangulo exist to receive complaints directly and securely. In closing, President Marcos assured the nation that justice will be served and that anyone who abused public funds, regardless of rank or affiliation, will be held responsible as the investigation progresses.